Let's solve this logarithm equation step by step. Our problem is log base 2 of x plus 1 plus log base 2 of x minus 3 minus log base 2 of x minus 1 equals 3. First, let's determine the restrictions. Every expression inside a logarithm must be positive, so we need x plus 1 to be greater than 0, x minus 3 to be greater than 0, and x minus 1 to be greater than 0. The strongest condition is x is greater than 3. Now, let's use the logarithm rules. The sum of two logarithms with the same base can be combined by multiplication. And when we subtract logarithms, we divide. So our equation becomes log base 2 of the quantity x plus 1 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 equals 3. Now we convert the logarithmic equation into exponential form. Since log base 2 of a quantity equals 3, that quantity must equal 2 cubed, and 2 cubed equals 8. So we get x plus 1 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 equals 8. Now multiply both sides by x minus 1. This gives us x plus 1 times x minus 3 equals 8 times x minus 1. Next, let's expand both sides. The left side becomes x squared minus 2x minus 3, and the right side becomes 8x minus 8. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 8x minus 8. Now move everything to the left side. We get x squared minus 10x plus 5 equals 0. Now we use the quadratic formula. For this equation, a equals 1, b equals negative 10, and c equals 5. So, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of bo squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Substituting the values gives us x equals 10, plus or minus the square root of 100 minus 20, all divided by 2. That becomes x equals 10, plus or minus the square root of 80, divided by 2. Since the square root of 80 is 4 square root of 5, we get x equals 10 plus or minus 4 square root of 5, divided by 2. Therefore, the two possible values are x equals 5 plus 2 square root of 5, or x equals 5 minus 2 square root of 5. But remember, our restriction was x greater than 3. The value 5 minus 2 square root of 5 is approximately 0.53, so it does not satisfy our restriction. Therefore, we reject it. The only valid solution is x equals 5 plus 2 square root of 5, and that's the final answer. If you enjoyed this problem, Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more challenging math problems. And remember, always check your answers when solving logarithmic equations, because not every algebraic solution is necessarily valid. See you in the next problem.